Tired of spending too much time chopping veggies or crushing garlic? Meet the Kankuwar manual vegetable chopper, a quick and easy solution for your kitchen. Did you know this simple kitchen gadget can save you hours of prep time every week? Let's find out how the Kankuwar manual vegetable chopper can transform your cooking routine. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Kankuwar manual vegetable chopper, a multi-purpose tool perfect for chopping, crushing and preparing your favorite ingredients effortlessly. Chopping vegetables, garlic or ginger by hand can be messy, time-consuming and sometimes frustrating. What if there was a tool that made it faster and easier while keeping your kitchen clean? Let's unbox the Kankuwar manual vegetable chopper. With a stainless steel blade and durable plastic body, it's designed for efficiency and longevity. The simple press mechanism lets you chop vegetables, mince garlic, or crumble ingredients with minimal effort. Just press down and the sharp blades do all the work for you. The compact size makes it easy to use, clean and store. The results speak for themselves, perfectly chopped ingredients in seconds without the mess or hassle. The Kankuwar manual vegetable chopper is a game changer for home cooks. Whether you are prepping vegetables or crushing spices, this gadget makes your life easier and your cooking faster. What's your go-to kitchen tool? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more time-saving kitchen tips and reviews.